Here I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So to add Google account, you firstly have to open settings, then go to the account section, tap add account, then select Google. Of course you will need internet connection to add Google account. So here you have to firstly enter your email or phone number, tap next. Then you have to enter your password, tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and at last what you will have to do is to tap accept here at this second menu. An account will be added. If you want to remove this account, just select it here and then tap remove account and confirm it here. And after that, oh no, account will be removed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.